Hello everyone and happy Friday. My name is Braden Anderson and I'd love to welcome you to this week's Securities Docket Update. Now for our first story, Hester Peirce in an interview with Bloomberg essentially said that it's going to depend on a fact-by-fact basis whether meme coins are securities or not. This fits the same tone and sentiment that we've seen time and time again from the kind of new Atkins SEC, and we'll just have to continue to monitor that situation to see what actually becomes of this positive sentiment towards crypto. Is it going to make a difference? Is it going to result in rulemaking? Is it going to result in legislation, action by Congress? We just have to wait and see. For our second story, Binance and the SEC have agreed to pause their litigation for 60 days. Why? Well, so that this crypto task force that the SEC has put together under Atkins can get together and see if there's a framework for digital assets that could impact the outcome of this case. For our third story, signed an executive order to pause the enforcement of the FCPA. This is a huge move. A lot of compliance and legal professionals across the industry have been reminding their clients that just because there's a pause of enforcement doesn't mean that you should abandon your FCPA and anti-bribery policies and procedures. For our fourth story, Dave Portnoy actually makes the list. He was on Twitter talking about Josh Allen MVP and essentially saying, I'm gonna buy it, I'm gonna sell it, don't waste your money on it. You can gamble, you can buy meme coins, but do so at your own risk. And finally, for our fifth story, there were some big bets made by some large institutions, the Rockefeller Foundation, University of Austin, Emory University, making multi-million-dollar bets on crypto and tradable assets with exposure to Bitcoin and other tradable tokens and crypto assets. Well, that's it for this week's update. Thank you for spending this time with us. See you next week.